5 years of age. Some school presentation, and I felt anticipation as my feet clopped out across that wooden stage. I opened up my mouth and the music floated out, a song about the flowers in the spring. That crowded room went silent, and you could have heard a pin drop as my voice spread out its feathers and took wing. Little songbird, don't you worry about a thing. Little songbird, surely you were born to sing. Little songbird, when the world starts going wrong. Little songbird, you can always bring the sun back with a song. La da 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 da. I looked around the room and saw the faces filled with joy. Then a split-second delay when I was done. All the oohs and ahs and that explosion of applause told me if this had been a race, I would have won. I just could not believe the way I had been received. I took a bow and turned to walk away. This was something special, and I knew I'd spend my lifetime sharing music in my own different way. Little songbird, don't you worry about a thing. Little songbird, surely you were born to sing. Little songbird, when the world is going wrong. Little songbird, you can always bring the sun back with a song. La da 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 da. In schools and church and theaters, restaurants, bars and nightclubs, I continued singing out my heart and soul. Trudging through the daytime at whatever job to do, music brought me warmth whenever I was cold. As long as I breathe air, I'll still have the need to share, and I hope it brings a smile to those who hear. I still feel good and strong each time I open up in song, until my final rest in power day draws near. Little songbird, don't you worry about a thing. Little songbird, surely you were born to sing. Little songbird, when the world starts going wrong. Little songbird, you can always bring the sun back